y'all just calm down.
Whoa! What's going on, my little friends? Are y'all ready for story time? Yay! Our story of the day is You Can Be, written by Jaleesa Bluitt. Hey, Busy, come on, man. Join in for the fun. Everyone say, hello, Busy. Wow, I can't wait to read this story. Here we go. You could be anything that you want to be. If you try your absolute best, I know you will see. You can shine so bright like the singer Rihanna. Leave people speechless with your trendy persona. Oh, Rihanna likes to read too. Everyone say, hi, Riri. Busy, do you got a crush on Rihanna? Everybody just calm down. You could build an empire, host talk shows, own networks, and never fail to inspire. You could create tasty dishes like Aisha Curry. From appetizer to desserts. She has always had something stirring, whipping in the kitchen like it's stir fry. Busy, can you cook? I don't think so. So fabulous. You could run the world like Mrs. Carter. Who run the world? Girls. Because, believe it or not, girls are so much smarter. Who run the world? Girls. Whoa, look at that beautiful young queen right there. Yeah. You could build a makeup brand as big as Tony Cole. Be as moving as Adele when she sings. Hello. Everyone say hello. Busy. Say hello. Don't buzz. Gosh, Busy. You could be like Taraji Henson and do it in fashion. Cameras, lights, action. If acting is your passion. Whoa! Sports Illustrated for kids as you take the runway like Tyra Banks to steal the show and have thousands of people waiting to fill up the roles. Whoa! Amazing, isn't it? Busy. You dream to be as heroic as Selena. Whoa! Busy. Were you heroic? Yeah. Maybe twirl on your tippy toes like Misty the ballerina. Whoa! Look at that young queen right there. Look at that young queen. Whoa! You can strive to be different. Dare to be unique. Girls are made strong and not to be weak. It's important to be strong and unique, my young queens. And Busy, you inspire these young queens. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. You could run the White House, but that would take a lot more than looks. To be in politics, you must stay in your books. You can fight to change laws like Alexandria Cortez with elegance. Be proud to show the world beauty in your intelligence. Message? Busy, are you paying attention? Yeah. Whoa, you can play like Serena Williams and always aim to win. All I do is win, 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 no matter what. Long as you practice and work hard from the strength that is within. Yeah, long as you practice, my little ones. You can finish your way into a powerful fight like the Abiyah Muhammad and stand up for what's right. Whoa, Busy. Have you done fencing before? Let's go fencing one day, my friend. Whoa, you can flip, tumble, and fly in the sky like Olympic winner Gabby. Whatever you decide you can be, just make sure it makes you happy. Being happy is so important, my little ones. You see, Gabby's an inspiration to your young queens. Yeah. You could do all of this and more. The world is yours